Yo, what's up, bro? It's another day, another prediction. So before we make our pick for huge World Cup match between France and England, so now the big question is, who am I picking between France and England? So let's break it down, mga tol. So first, let's talk about the platform's new identity. So from cross prediction, welcome to Punch. So the new name is shorter, stronger, and easier to remember. It perfectly matched the fast and exciting experience of prediction markets. So however, a new name doesn't mean we should start making random prediction. So before joining any market, always review the available information, compare both choices, and understand the possible risk. You should also check the official market rules, closing time, and settlement conditions before confirming your prediction. Now, let's test the newly branded Punch platform with one of the biggest football matches possible. So, both countries have world-class teams. So, this is definitely not an easy decision, mga tol. So, England has dangerous attacking players, physical strength, and plenty of quality in midfield. They can create opportunities through open play, counter-attacks, and set pieces. So, if England controls possession and starts the match aggressively, they can put France under serious pressure, mga tol. But on the other side, we have France. So, what I like about France is their experience in high-pressure international matches. They have explosive speed in attack, dangerous counter-attacks, and players who can completely change a game with one moment of brilliance. Because this is such an important match, I expect both teams to be careful during the opening minutes. Neither side will want to make an early mistake, so the first half could be very tactical and closely contested, mga tol. So however, as the match progresses, more spaces could begin to open up, and that is where France may become extremely dangerous. If France forwards are allowed to run behind England's defenses and create one-on-one opportunities, they will be very difficult to stop. So that doesn't mean England cannot win. England absolutely has enough quality to defeat France, and this match could even reach extra time or penalty shootout. But when I compare their overall balance, big match experience, and attacking threat, France has a slight advantage for me, mga tol. So, after reviewing both teams, my final pick on the Punch prediction market is France, mga tol, no? Yes, I'm picking France to defeat England, no? So, my possible score prediction is France 2, England 1. However, I expect this to be an extremely close and competitive match. One mistake, one counter-attack, or one set piece could decide everything, mga tol. So remember to check the confirmed starting lineups, possible injuries, and official team news before the match begins. So these factors could completely change the outcome, mga tol, no? So yan, mga brokies, no? France ang pipiliin natin dito. So paano tayo makakalagay ng ating prediction dito, guys? So kailangan yung i-connect ang inyong wallet, mga tol, and mag-deposit tayo, guys, using yung cross. Ay, hindi ko na pala kailangan mag-deposit, mga tol. May cross na pala ako sa portfolio natin. Ayan. May 173 pala ako dito. Sorry, guys. So, punta tayo dun, guys, sa may match. So, 5 a.m. to, guys. July 19 gaganapin. So, ito, guys, battle for, third place, no? Sila yung dalawang nalaglag, no? Sa semi. So, France tayo dito, mga tol. Mas favor yung mga tao sa France talaga, mga brokers, compare sa England. So, makikita nyo ang taas ng odds sa England, no? So, mas favorite talaga ng tao tong France. Malakas kasi talaga sila sana, guys, no? Sila Mbappe, kaso yun, nalaglag. So, tayo sa mga events. And then, piliin natin dito, guys, is cross, mga brokers. Punta tayo dito sa France versus England. And then, yun, meron tayong 42 cross na available. 42. Yan, mga brokers. So, if manalo ang France dito, mga tol, magiging 82 cross tayo dito, no? So, meron tayong 40 na mapapanalunan. So, ayan, mga brokers, buy yes. As simple as that, mga tol. Mas maano siya, no? Mas friendly na siya tingnan, mga brokers. Uy, unexpected error, pare. Ulit. Gawin lang natin 40, pare. Kasi may gas fee yan. Yan, para pumasok. Yun, di ba? Wag nyo palang isasagad, mga tol, gawa ng may gas fee yan siya. So now, I want to hear from you, brokers, no? So, are you picking France or England? So, So leave your winner and predicted final score in the comments mga brokis. And what do you think about the transformation of cross prediction into punch? It's a new name, a new look, and the beginning of another exciting prediction journey mga tol. So remember guys, prediction markets involve financial risk and there is no guaranteed winner. Only use an amount you can afford to lose. So this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only mga brokers and should not be considered financial advice. So this is Juzo96 and I'll see you in the next punch prediction mga tol. So good luck and enjoy the match and remember, always analyze first before you punch your pick mga tol. So let's go. Peace out mga tol.